Привет! Это Natasha. Welcome to my channel. My name is Natasha and I'm here to help you to learn the Russian language and to know more about the Russian culture and mentality. Давайте начнем. In this video, we will have a look at Russian personal pronouns, their pronunciation and usage. Also, we'll learn how to say my name is, your name is, her name is, and so on. First, let me remind you what a pronoun is. A pronoun is a word which you can use instead of a noun. Let's look at Russian personal pronouns. Я, ты, он, она, оно, мы, вы, они. Using pronouns ты, вы, we address other people. Ты for singular, вы for plural. But do you remember the strong division between formal and informal speaking I mentioned in one of my previous videos? Yes, we use ты for a friend, a person of our age, and a family member, and вы for a stranger and someone who is older than us. We use the plural pronoun вы in formal speaking, even if we are addressing one person. Look at the third person singular pronouns он, она, оно. Pay attention that он, она are also applied to non-living objects. For example, stол in Russian is он. So, we've just looked at the list of Russian pronouns in the nominative case, the basic case. The subject of the sentence is always in the nominative case, and all the nouns are given in the dictionaries in the nominative case. But to say the Russian equivalents of the English phrases my name is, your name is, his name is, you need to use the personal pronoun in the accusative case. Shortly speaking, the accusative case is used to denote the object in the sentence. Let's find out what's going on in the construction Меня зовут and why we need to use the accusative case here. A more literal translation of that phrase into English would be they call me blah blah blah, where they is omitted because it's an impersonal sentence. While the verb звать, to call, has the form of third person plural, they. Even in the English translation we see me instead of I, because the pronoun is an object here. We will take a more precise look at subject, object and their functions in the next videos. For now, you need to memorize which forms the personal pronouns have in the accusative case to be able to answer the questions. What is your name? What is her name? What is his name? And so on. Let's look at these forms. Меня, тебя, его. Pay attention, G is pronounced like V here. Его, ее, его, нас, вас, их. Attentive students notice that он and оно have the same form in the accusative case. You will find a lot of cases where masculine and neuter words will have the same form in our future lessons. Knowing the forms of personal pronouns in the accusative case allows you to ask questions and answer them correctly. The question to a man will be «Как его зовут?» The answer is «Его зовут Саша». The question to a woman will be «Как ее зовут?» The answer is «Ее зовут Маша». Some questions and answers like «Как тебя зовут?», «Меня зовут?», «Как вас зовут?» you already know from one of my previous videos, but I hope that this lesson made it more clear what is тебя, меня, вас. This is the 4th lesson already, and this time I want you to share your thoughts about your learning process in the comments. Thank you for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please support me with your likes, and if you want to see more lessons from me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Увидимся. Пока-пока.